Welcome to part 2 of how to create a constructed language. Today, we'll be working with syntax, which is how words combine to form sentences and phrases. First off, this picture is from Bibliotarian. I don't claim ownership of the picture at all, and his channel will be linked in the description. Now that that's out of the way, I need to explain this picture and what everything in it means. First off, you're probably wondering what verb-object and object-verb means. That has to deal with the sentence order. The sentence order usually contains 3 parts: the subject, the object, and the verb. The subject performs the verb, and the object is the thing that it's being performed on. The part that says adjective noun and noun adjective means if an adjective is located in front or behind of a noun. Preposition noun and postposition noun represent the location of adpositions. Adpositions are words like to and from. Of course, English has prepositions, and we'll get to those later. Finally, possessee, possessor, and possessor, possessee determine the possession of objects. The possessee is the object being possessed by the possessor. Head initial and head final are patterns that most languages follow. Your language doesn't have to be solely restricted to that pattern. First off, we'll choose our word order. This data represents statistics from real-world languages. Subject, object, verb is the most popular, but English is subject, verb, object. If you want something closer to a Romance or Germanic language, I suggest picking that one. I've decided to go with SVO and continue along the head initial path. Now for the adjectives. Adjectives are either noun-based, verb-based, or independent, as in English. An example for noun-based usage would be the big thing, the dog, to represent the big dog, where there is a noun for a big thing. For verb-based usage, it would be the dog bigs, where there is a verb for being big. I'll stay with a head initial path and choose verb-based adjectives. For adpositions, there are prepositions and postpositions. Prepositions would be to the mountains, and postpositions would be the mountains too. I'm still going to follow the head initial path and choose prepositions. Possession is simpler. Possessee, possessor is dog man's, and possessor, possessee is man's dog. I'm going to finish off by breaking from head initial and choose possessor, possessee. If you've been following along, congratulations. You're now done with your syntax. In the next video, we'll be deciding morphology for the language.